Good morning, my friends. Today is Wednesday, October 28th, 2020, and today we're going to do our calendar together. So repeat after me. Today is October 28th, 2020. It's Wednesday. Everybody say what Wednesday. Wednesday starts with a W. That sounds like a what. Let's clap out Wednesday. Wednesday. How many syllables are in Wednesday? Wednesday. 2 syllables. Good job. Our month is October. Are you ready to clap out October? October. How many syllables are in October? 3. All right, you ready to do our months? Here it comes. All right. Good job, my friends. Kiss your brains for singing along with that one. All right, our day of the week is Wednesday. So it goes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, here's our song. We have it twice. Look at that. You got it 2 times. Let's do that again. Here it is. Here. Yeah. What's that? Yes. Love that song. Mommy. Please go. I know you want bubble gum, but I'm not giving you bubble gum. All right, my friends. So today's date is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, October. Did I say it right? Wednesday. No, October 28th, 2020. Today's not Wednesday. Today is what Wednesday. That means if today's Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. And tomorrow is going to be Thursday. Yay! So our weather report outside. Our weather report outside. I do believe if I'm looking outside right now, so everybody look outside your window right now. What does it look like to you outside? What's it doing? Well, did you say that it's cloudy? Because it's a little bit cloudy. Today is going to be a cloudy day. And my friend, I'm hoping that sun right here comes and peaks a lot. And hot outside or is it cold? I think it's kind of cold outside. Today, my friends, is another cool day. Fall. Fall, my friends. All right, our weather graph. So we said today is another cloudy day, so let's fill in that box. Let's put that box blue. Cloudy day. Let's count our cloudy days, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've had 6 cloudy days. Here's my question, my friend. Other other type of weather day has the same amount of days as cloudy days. Did you say sunny days? Sunny days has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same amount of days as the cloudy day. Kiss your brain, my friends. So, Mr. Weather Bear, the temperature outside is about 41 degrees. Actually, I think it was like 42 degrees. Let's make that a little bigger so we all can see it. Big, 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 big. It's getting bigger. 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 And it's so big. So let's do our thermometer down to 42. Let's move it down to 42 degrees. Boom. And we said today it was cloudy. All right, so let's go down to, where is it? Here we go. Here's our weather bear. Weather bear, he's missing his clothes. Where's his clothes? I think this is that's a little too warm for today. I don't know where the other outfit went. Guess I'm going to have to fix that one too, right? Okay, so today, the month is October. All about today. The season is fall. It's cloudy outside today, and our temperature was about 42 degrees outside. Okay, so here is our pattern. Our pattern goes red, yellow, green, red, yellow. What's missing in our pattern? Red, yellow, green. Good job if you said green because your brain. That is what's missing in our pattern. All right, my friends, are you ready for a stretch break? Here comes your song. Here it comes. You're muted. But Oops, this one. Well, that is very true. You all are really awesome. So thank you for calendar today, my friends. Today is Wednesday. I have a really fun Spookily the Square Spookily the Square Pumpkin read aloud and a craft to go along with it. So get your craft stuff out and ready to go. When you're done with your Spookily, make sure you take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw so I can see all your Spookilies that you made. Also, we have a math lesson today for lesson 16 and 17, or 16 and 18, and then you're going to do the activities on there also. So also is my wellness check today, so that one is for you parents. So parents, make sure you are filling out my wellness check. Also with the seesaws, please make sure you are sitting with your child and reading the directions for them for the seesaws. I keep getting seesaws that have scribbles all over them, and it's obvious that there's no adult or an older sibling helping them through these seesaws. Please read the directions, tell them what's expected, and let them do the work on their own, but they still need to know what they're supposed to be doing. They are in kindergarten after all. They can't read directions. So, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye, everybody.